Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Francis and I do videos on lifestyle and motherhood. So today I'll be sharing with you when I got my Louis Vuitton purse repaired for the first time. So I brought my Louis Vuitton bag to the repair center in Southern California for the first time, and I was super nervous because I've had this bag for a while, and if you've been following me for the past couple of years, you'll know which bag I'm talking about. It's the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the Empreinte, the turtle dove color, which is like the taupe color. And I was reading reviews and seeing like what happened to my bag. I didn't really wear it for a while after I had my baby, and I was just like, what the hell happened? So I luckily called Louis Vuitton and they were like, just bring it in. We do repairs or whatever on a case by case basis. So I just want to share with you here my journey of my first repair. Actually, this is not my first repair. This is my second repair because in my Speedy 25 in the Abine, I got the handles repaired. That was like over 10 years ago. But this is a repair that I was super surprised about. So I'll take you along with me to the Southern California Repair Center located in Costa Mesa, California, and I'll share my journey from the start in the car to the end. I'll show you which purse I end up unboxing. All right, enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to try and repair my Neverfull Empreinte MM because I got it in Hawaii, right? If you guys watched our unboxing. So I don't know if you can see it in this lighting, but it has discolored and I've seen that it's a defect, so I'm hoping that they'll fix it. I don't know if you can see it in this lighting, but I don't know if you can. It's like yellowing, and it's like I didn't leave it in the sun. Why would, okay, here. It's hella yellowing right there compared to that side. You see that? See? There. And even the pouch that it comes with, it's yellowing, and it's like I leave it in the bag. Look at that. That's gross. Okay, I mean, we pay this much. Hopefully they can repair it. Whatever they do, I don't know what they do. Wish me luck. I'm here at the South Coast Plaza location, Louis Vuitton. So let's go to the Louis Vuitton Atelier, which is like the workshop. Wish me luck. So they did it, they repaired it, which they really replaced it. So here's my new old bag. Here she is in the back seat. So I'm gonna go drop it off and then at home and then go study at a cafe. Yay! Okay, so here is the unboxing part. The bright orange bag. So after careful decision, after making a careful decision by myself, I actually went by myself, I decided to go with this one. Yes! I decided to stick with the Empreinte in the turtle dove because that is the one I originally wanted, and this is the MM size. So see here, it is not discolored, and they only had one in the store. And again, this is the one that has the chocolate brown lining inside. And of course it comes with the pouch, the detachable zip-up pouch. From what I can see here, no discoloration. And then here you are. So yeah, this is the purse that I ended up getting. And then this is how it looks on me. As a 5 foot, 126 pounds, this is where it sits on my shoulder. And I love this because it's perfect for when I go study and pop my 13-inch MacBook in. But there you go. So beautiful. I still love this bag as much as I did when I first got it in 2021. All right. Well, if you paid attention in the video, so there was a defect in the leather made in that year or that serial number. I'm not sure if it's the 2021 year or just that serial number for this batch of Neverfull, but the Empreinte leather was defected. And so they went ahead and just took my purse, the old one, and they gave me a gift card, cashed me out with a gift card to cover all the costs to get a new bag. And so I was debating between the black Empreinte or this turtle dove Empreinte. And I was like, I have many black bags, but I want to keep the neutral. So, I wanted to keep the taupe color. So that's what I did. And luckily they had one left in the store. And if you had seen in the video, I did shop a little bit, hoping for future gifts, maybe for Mother's Day or my anniversary this year. But I was looking at the mini moon bag in the all black Empreinte and hoping I get that sometime in the future. Maybe for graduation, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video on my first time repairing my Louis Vuitton Neverfull Empreinte purse. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.